Beyond expectations, a realm of endless opportunities, of academic excellence, of belonging and access.
Beyond expectations, we foster relevance, engagement, and innovation, standing shoulder to shoulder with students, faculty, and community.
Beyond expectations, we walk alongside you at every stage, from early education to graduation day.
Nurturing future nurses, firefighters, chefs, artists, and leaders.
Spaces that inspire growth, places where dreams take flight, futures that radiate promise.
Our students win accolades, our faculty earns recognition, setting new benchmarks, championing new expectations.
Striving and achieving in classrooms, fields, courts, tracks, pools, and gyms.
Scoring goals, mastering skills, shaping champions in athletics, art, and life, exceeding all expectations.
Pushing the boundaries academically, creatively, personally.
Exploring passions, reaching milestones, cultivating abilities for higher education.
For careers in demand in our community, championing a future we're building together.
Students immersed in learning, playing, evolving, nurturing their potential unmatched by any other.
Faculty members who stand by you, believing in every individual's potential for success.
Ensuring each voice is heard.
Preparing students for what comes next.
Uplifting one another, celebrating achievements.
Equipped with digital resources, honing 21st century skills.
Coding, crafting novels, shaping destinies, composing melodies, harmonizing, performing, producing.
Determined to excel in education, determined to thrive, motivated by the collective drive to reach our fullest potential beyond expectations.
Nurturing growth, nurturing intellects, nurturing the CEOs of tomorrow.
Providing nourishment, serving one another, serving our community, setting a precedent.
Constructing foundations, forging connections.
Sculpting futures, respecting our heritage.
Caring for one another, building bridges, advancing forward as a united community.
This is our mission, our calling.
This is Stevens Point Area Public School District.
Every student,
every day.
Beyond expectations.